Good morning. Today I'm in my car with my daughter Maggie and my other daughter Sophie. Today we are taking another trip out to Columbia, Missouri, where we will be taking some birds, some baby songbirds. I have 2 blue jays and a whole bunch of house finches. And then we thought we were picking up birds, but big surprise, we get to take a baby fox. I know, we were really surprised. And so we have with us a baby fox.
I'm not seeing my keys. I'm pretty sure I didn't take them with me in. Well, I haven't touched them or moved them or anything. Okay, there they are. Sophie, come on.
We'll get you're on top. You're open up. It's really close. See what I mean? Looking around.
He's got a smell.
Okay. He's probably could use a drink. There's no water in there. Okay. Well, there you have it. Another safe transport complete. I can't believe we got to take a little baby fox. That was so cute, right, guys?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Well, please do subscribe to our channel so you'll get the full version of these episodes. And don't forget to tap that bell icon because then you'll get the notifications when we do upload new videos. Thanks for watching.